Hello and welcome to this Akemi tutorial. In this short video, we will show you how to use the Akemi consumption calculator. Go to the service area and click on the consumption calculator. The consumption calculator is a practical tool which lets you calculate the right amount of Akemi adhesives you need for your project. It supports the following adhesives: Colorbond, Akepox 5010 Colored, and many other Akemi cartridge adhesives. Let's try this in an example. First of all, choose the unit system you're working with. You can choose between the metric and the imperial system. Here we will go for the metric system. In the next step, choose the right slab thickness of your material. In our example, it's a 12 mm thick ceramics. In the third step, choose the bonding type. You can choose between the decor seam bonding, the miter edge bonding, or the laminated edge bonding. For our example, it's a kitchen countertop, and here we need a miter edge bonding of approximately 4 meters. Click then on the Show Results button. The consumption calculator has calculated approximately an amount of 59.1 milliliters for our application. In 3 steps, you have now seen how to calculate your approximate amount of required adhesive. The Akemi consumption calculator is also available in the Akemi Color Chart app. You can download the Color Chart app for Apple and Google Android smartphones. Thank you for your attention, and if you like this video, feel free to subscribe.